Building globally competitive industrial machinery through engineering excellence and compliance by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone, welcome to this technical industrial knowledge session from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss a topic that is becoming increasingly important for industrial machine manufacturers across the world. How to build technically strong, globally compliant, reliable and market-ready machinery. The industrial manufacturing sector is changing rapidly. Customers today are not only looking for machines that can perform operations efficiently, they are also evaluating manufacturers based on engineering quality, safety systems, compliance with international standards, documentation capability, process control, and long-term reliability. Whether you are manufacturing packaging machinery, automation systems, pharmaceutical equipment, food processing machinery, material handling systems, textile machines, or special purpose machines, the expectations from customers have increased significantly over the last few years. Modern industrial buyers now expect machine manufacturers to deliver complete engineering confidence. This means they expect standardized engineering practices, proper machine safety implementation, technical documentation, ISO-based quality systems, reliable manufacturing processes, compliance with global standards, lower operational risks, better serviceability and maintainability. Unfortunately, many machine manufacturers still struggle with inconsistent systems internally. In many factories, engineering teams work independently without standardized documentation controls. Production departments focus on dispatch deadlines, while quality systems become reactive instead of preventive. Technical drawings are not updated properly. Machine safety is considered only during final inspection stages, and process controls are often dependent on individual experience rather than systematic procedures. These issues may initially appear small, but over time they create major business problems. For example, customer complaints increase, machine breakdowns become frequent, rework costs rise, customer approvals get delayed, and export opportunities become difficult because compliance requirements are not fulfilled properly. This is exactly where structured engineering consultancy and implementation of international standards become essential for industrial machine manufacturers. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we work closely with machine manufacturers to help them transform their engineering and manufacturing systems into globally competitive operations. Our focus is not only certification or documentation. Our focus is practical industrial implementation. We help organizations build systems that improve actual operational performance. One of the most important foundations for any machine manufacturing company is a structured quality management system. Many organizations implement ISO 9001 only for certification purposes. However, when implemented correctly, ISO systems can significantly improve manufacturing discipline, engineering consistency, inspection reliability, supplier quality management, and customer satisfaction. A properly implemented ISO system helps organizations establish controlled engineering processes. For example, design approvals become systematic, engineering changes become traceable, inspection activities become measurable, supplier evaluations become more objective, corrective actions become data-driven rather than assumption-based. As a result, the organization becomes more stable, more reliable, and more scalable. This becomes especially important when machine manufacturers are supplying equipment to multinational companies or export markets. Global customers increasingly prefer suppliers who operate with structured systems because it reduces operational risk for them. Another highly critical area for industrial machine manufacturers today is machine safety and engineering compliance. In many organizations, machine safety is still misunderstood and as simply adding guards or emergency stop buttons. But in reality, machine safety is a complete engineering discipline. International customers today expect machine manufacturers to perform proper risk assessments, identify hazards systematically, implement safety controls, and maintain complete technical documentation related to safety compliance. Machine safety directly affects customer trust, operational safety, legal compliance, export capability, and overall brand reputation. For example, if machine is exported to international markets without proper compliance considerations, the manufacturer may face customer rejection, installation delays, legal liabilities, or serious operational risks. That is why modern industrial machine manufacturers must integrate safety into the engineering design stage itself. At URGS International, we support organizations in implementing practical machine safety systems, including risk assessments, safety documentation, technical file preparation, engineering compliance reviews, and CE-related guidance for industrial machinery. This helps organizations not only improve safely but also improve customer confidence and international acceptance. Another area where machine manufacturers face challenges is engineering documentation. Strong technical documentation is one of the biggest indicators of a mature engineering organization. However, many companies still maintain fragmented or incomplete documentation systems. This creates confusion during assembly, maintenance, troubleshooting, audits, and future modifications. Professional engineering documentation should include assembly drawings, electrical schematics, hydraulic and pneumatic layouts, bill of materials, inspection reports, maintenance procedures, user manuals, standard operating procedures, and validation records. When documentation systems are strong, manufacturing becomes more repeatable and less dependent on individual experience. It also improves servicing capability, traceability, spare management, and technical communication with customers. In addition to engineering systems, manufacturing process excellence is another major requirement for industrial growth. Many organizations focus only on increasing production volume, but long-term success actually depends on process stability and operational discipline. Without standardized processes, companies often experience high rejection rates, production delays, unplanned downtime, assembly mismatches, supplier quality issues, and inconsistent machine performance. Process improvement requires organizations to systematically evaluate every stage of manufacturing. This includes material flow, inspection systems, quality checkpoints, assembly controls, preventive maintenance, operator training, supplier development, and root cause analysis. At URGS International, we help industrial machine manufacturers implement practical process improvement systems that increase productivity, reduce operational losses, and improve machine reliability. Another critical factor behind successful industrial organizations is technical competency development. Even the best engineering systems cannot deliver results without skilled and technically aware teams. Today, manufacturing industries require continuous technical training for engineers, supervisors, operators, maintenance teams, and quality personals. Technical training helps organizations create a culture of systematic working. Training programs should not only focus on theory, they must focus on practical industrial implementation. For example, how to identify process deviations, how to perform root cause analysis, how to maintain engineering records, how to follow inspection standards, how to implement machine safety procedures, and how to improve process consistency. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we conduct specialized industrial training programs designed specifically for machine manufacturers and engineering organizations. Our training approach combines technical knowledge with practical manufacturing applications. Today, industrial machine manufacturing is no longer not only about building machines, it is about building engineering credibility. Organizations that establish strong engineering systems, structured compliance frameworks, process discipline, and technical competency are the ones that achieve sustainable growth in global markets. This is why many successful manufacturers now work closely with technical consultancy partners who support them in engineering compliance, ISO systems, machine safety, process optimization, technical documentation, and industrial training. At URGS International, our mission is to help industrial machine manufacturers strengthen their engineering foundations and become globally competitive manufacturing organizations. We believe that engineering excellence is not achieved through documentation alone. It is achieved through systematic implementation, technical discipline, process control, and continuous improvement. Thank you very much for watching this session. If your organization is looking for support in engineering consultancy, ISO implementation, machine safety, engineering standards, process improvement, technical documentation, or industrial technical training programs, our team at URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited will be happy to support your growth journey. Please email us info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Please like, share, and subscribe for more industrial engineering and manufacturing excellence insights. Thank you.